Welcome to my little world. I'm Serena, a girl who's passionate about life and self-development. Between books, keyboards, and cameras, I'm a coffee lover trying to find the perfect balance between work, creativity, and exploration. I'm always seeking new experiences and exciting things to discover, whether it's a trip to a new place or trying a new hobby. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed, and sometimes I feel inspired, but I always learn from my experiences and strive to achieve my big dreams. In this video, I'll share how I spend my weekends and how I try to make the most of my time to pursue my passions and develop myself, focusing on the positive aspects of life and being grateful for everything I have. I'll also share some tips that help me stay positive in my life. Have you ever wondered how to balance the demands of daily life with pursuing your goals? Do you ever feel like there's not enough time for everything? In this video, I'll share how I organize and manage my time effectively, and how I find time to relax and have fun, as well as pursue my hobbies and develop myself. I'll give you some tips and tricks to help you achieve the balance you desire and enjoy every moment of your life. My day starts with the first rays of sunlight that pierce through my window, bringing with them warmth and a reminder of life's beauty. I love to take those first few minutes of the day to enjoy a hot cup of coffee while watching the world wake up around me. Then I do some light stretching to energize my mind and body, and I start my day with a short walk in the fresh air, where I breathe in the clean air and enjoy peace of mind. When I return home, I sit at my desk, put on my headphones, and immerse myself in a world of calming podcasts that help me focus. I spend the first hour of my day focusing on the most important tasks, using the Pomodoro Technique to help me stay productive and avoid distractions. Afterward, I move on to browsing the latest news in the world of education and technology, and I look for new ideas for my YouTube channel content. I love to turn each of my videos into a small piece of art. I carefully choose the right colors, use simple and clear language, and ensure that the content is both enjoyable and informative. I spend a lot of time researching and planning before starting to shoot, and I make sure every scene is carefully considered. After finishing work on a video, I head to the gym to do exercises that help me maintain my physical fitness and relieve stress. I love doing cardio and squats as they help me balance my mind and body. In the afternoon, I transform into a magician, turning letters and words into enchanting worlds. I love being surrounded by the laughter and curious questions of my students. I enjoy reading exciting stories to them and seeing their eyes widen in wonder as they explore new worlds. I love answering their questions enthusiastically and encouraging them to think critically and solve problems on their own. Sometimes I face challenges, but when I see a smile appear on their faces and realize that I'm contributing to building the future generations, I feel lucky to have my job. In the evening, I escape to my little sanctuary in the garden, where I find peace and quiet. I love sitting on a wooden bench, breathing in the fresh air, and watching the beautiful colors of the sunset. This atmosphere helps me think creatively and generates new and innovative ideas in my mind. I love writing in my diary, where I record all the little details that made me happy during the day and plan the goals I want to achieve the next day. I find that writing is my way of expressing myself, organizing my thoughts, and achieving inner balance. Before bed, I read a few pages of an inspiring book, which helps me relax and sleep soundly. Saturday is my favorite day to escape the daily routine and enjoy every moment. I love going on long walks with my friends, visiting art exhibitions, or spending some time in the kitchen. In the evening, I enjoy reading a good book or watching an interesting movie. Sunday is my favorite day for planning and preparing for the new week. I like to wake up early, do some light exercises, and have a healthy breakfast. After that, I clean the house and prepare clothes for the upcoming week. I like to organize my desk and make a list of tasks that I need to accomplish during the week. In the evening, I prepare snacks for the whole week. I love this balance between work and rest. It helps me stay productive throughout the week. Life is a journey full of challenges and opportunities, and it's also a blank canvas on which we paint with the colors of our dreams and aspirations. Every day is a new chance to discover ourselves and grow, and to leave a positive impact on this world. We may face difficulties and crises, but these challenges are what shape and strengthen us. Remember that you are stronger than you think, and that you can achieve anything you set your mind to and work hard for. I hope this video has inspired you to face your challenges with courage and determination, to set your goals and develop plans to achieve them, and to contribute to building a better world. What about you? What challenges have you faced and how have you overcome them? What are your future goals? And how are you working to achieve them? What are the ways in which you contribute to making a positive change in your community? Share your inspiring stories in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about how you can achieve your goals and change your life for the better.